Hi Porsche 917 fans, it's Wednesday. I don't know what day of the week in June. I did a ton of work on the nose, did a lot of reinforcing. One of the highlights is this. If you look at the previous videos of the car driving around, it had a chrome rim all the way around and gloss paint job, and I've got it flat black now, so they look much more like 917 wheels. And like I said, I've done a lot of sanding and body filling and reinforcing. And on the other side, which I won't climb over there, this part had broken right off, and I fiberglassed it in and so forth. When I take the body off, I've got to fiberglass the back side of this seam here, back over here. All the break points have to be reinforced. And then I'm gonna prime it, put about 3 coats of, well, I gotta take it off, then I gotta finish up the nostrils there and get them all cleaned up and ready for paint by getting the nose off and putting it up against the wall. And then then I'll prime it, probably 3 coats, sand it. If it's looking good, I'll put the nose back on the car so I can work on the rest of the body, and then prime all that, and then I'll paint the whole thing. I think I am going to be able to get it red, blood orange, red and orange. That'll look very much like the original car. That's what I'm going to do, I think. I think I can do it. I found a guy, and this guy definitely knows what he's talking about, and he can mix it up. It's not going to be auto paint, so he can't use an auto paint formula. And so that's it. That's where I am. It's been a struggle. I am happy that I decided to paint these wheels, because they are going to look like much better than what was on there, which just screamed Replica. Okay, that's it. Catch you later.